going to teach you the topic on the security attack. So let's start with the security attack. Okay. Security attack. So what are the security attack? Why are they so important for us? So that you must have to learn the security attack. So I will teach you. You will clearly understand why are the attacks importance and what are they all. So in security attack, you must first of all have to learn the security goals. Goals that comes like a three main goals that are so important, that are confidentiality, integrity and availability. Okay. So these all three goals are so important for us. Okay, for security purpose. So you can see that these three main goals are the attack that are treating such as like analyze such as traffic analysis, or you can tell modifications, or denial of service attack, replay attacks. So this kind of attacks are coming. So this type of attacks I'm going to teach you in details, so you'll understand what are the attacks that comes, and you will also get an alerts from this all attacks. Okay, so you can see in your computer or a computer network, sometimes there comes an attack such as destroying your computers or disable or alterations, or the unauthorized person who that unauthorized user who gain your confidential information. So these are attacks you must have to be alert, you must have to be far away from, so that you must have to be alert, so that you will for that you must have to look at this video, so you will easily understand what are the security attacks. Okay, so in security attacks there are two types of attacks, like passive attack. The first one is the passive attack, second is the active attack. Now, what are the passive attack and what are the active attack? Passive attack, in short, I will tell you that in passive attack means like a confidentiality. Means confidentiality means what? So I told you, you must have to look at the previous video, then you will understand what is confidentiality. Okay, so please look at the previous video, that is a security goals. Okay, so in passive attack there comes in a confidentiality. Confidentiality means that if a Bob is sending a message to the allies, okay, if Bob is sending a message to the allies, then third party is interrupting it. But the Bob and allies doesn't know the third party is interrupting in the content of their message. So that how they doesn't know, because the in passive attack that doesn't do any attacks like physically, they only just read that message. Okay, they only just read the message, doesn't do any modification there. Okay, they only just read that message. Okay, this type of attacks comes in a passive attack. Okay, in passive attack there comes a traffic analysis, that is one part of a confidentiality. Confidential, this of attacks are treating traffic analysis means the messages comes sometimes go late to the intent receiver, the sender who sent to the receiver, means the allies who sent to the Bob, who sent to the message to the allies. Bob, it's a Bob is sent a message to the allies. Okay, then allies get a late message. This also that this of a traffic analysis. Traffic analysis is also one type of attack that comes in the passive attack, that I will teach you further. But this is a passive attack. Passive attack means only reading part, means the third party get intended, means get interrupt in that message, get read that message only, can, but he can't modify, he can't alter that message. Okay, so that is what the passive attack. But active attack is totally different. Active attack, what they do in active attack, the attackers or the unauthorized persons can access to that message and also do modifications such as or a masquerade, or they can do a rewrite, a replay attack. Okay, or denial of service attack. So these all attacks comes in the active attack, because they can do an alteration, insertions, modifications, they can do anything in that message. So while Bob is sending message to the allies, the hacker who is there, then that hacker can read, hacker can what, read also, and also can do a modification. That is what the active attack. But in passive attack only reading part is done. Okay, they can't do any modification yet. That is what the passive attack. Only monitor during data transmission between two persons and doesn't involve any modification to the content of original message is called as a passive attack. So by reading this point, you will easily understand what is a passive attack. As I told you before, in passive attack that the modification doesn't do, only do a monitoring. Okay, Simply I will teach you that in passive attack doesn't do any modification, only monitoring, but in active attack they do a modification, but okay, so that is what the active attack. In passive attack they do a monitoring, means they only read the content of message. So in that what, that the message who sent by the Bob and Alice doesn't know that the message is got leaked or the message is seen by another person. So difficult to pretend that there become any attack or not. So that is what the passive attack. Okay. So in passive attack, the information is only monitored during a data transmission between two persons. If Bob is sending a message to the allies, but the hacker is there, that is third party who is getting interrupt in it, but the both of them doesn't understand whether the message got leaked by any leaked means got any other person that message. So that is what the passive attack, that only that attackers only hacker who read that message. Okay, so it is what the passive attack, only monitoring. This word is important, monitoring. Okay, so this is what about the passive attack. But in passive attack I told you there are two types of attacks comes, and release of message content and traffic analysis. So let's start with that. First one is the release of message content. Release means what? The message that got leaked, okay, between two person who is communicating. Now I'll take the example as like before. That's a Bob, that is the first person, that is a sender, okay, and Alice. Alice is the receiver. Okay, now sender is sending a message to the receiver. One message, okay, this is called as an internet type message. Okay, so Bob is sending a message to the allies, sender is sending a message to the allies, receiver. Then the message, the Bob is sending the message, the only passive attack I told, only monitoring part is done. So in monitoring part, release the message, the unauthorized access, unauthorized hacker get interrupt, only read that message. Hackers only monitor that message, only see what the message is sent between them. Okay, that is what the release of message content means. The Bob and Alice think the message is not on the sender's thing, only the I have sent the message to the intent user, intent receiver, that is allies, but the actually the attack is a hacker who is attack that message, also read that message, monitor that message, but they doesn't know that they get attacked by it. So that is what a passive attack. In passive attack, it's difficult to pretend whether it is attacked or not. Okay, so that is what the release of message contain. Okay, leak the message. Now message leaking, and second is the traffic analysis. This is first one. Second is the traffic analysis. In traffic analysis, what there? Wait. Okay. In traffic analysis, this is the Bob, and this is the Alice. Okay, same. I will take the same example. This is sender. This is the receiver. Okay, now sender is sending the messages to the receiver. Okay, but the hacker is there. Hacker is interrupted, is already interrupted message. But in traffic analysis, what they did, the hacker does not read that message, also capture that message and capture the message, and later it sent to the receiver. Later it sent to the receiver, that is allies. What comes a difference is then between them? In the release of message content, the hacker just now read the message. He understood that this person sent this message. Okay, but in this traffic analysis, I told you traffic. So by reading this word, you will understand what is that. That only the hacker doesn't read that message only. He instead of it, he captured that message, and after that what he did, he does not send it at time. He later on it sended it to the allies, but here only they did a monitoring, doesn't do any modification. Okay, that is what the passive attack, only monitoring work is done in a passive attack. So this was all concept of the passive attack. Now I will go to the active attack, that is the modification part is done. Okay, active attack involves modification of data, content of message. Okay, attacker aim is what? That is such type of attacks is to corrupt or destroy the data as well as your network itself. Okay, so I told you before when I'm teaching passive and active attack, I told you that your computer or your computer network can be also attacked. Such attacks can be destroy, disable, or do any modifications, or can also gain unauthorized access of confidential information. So this all can become. So you must have to be alert from this all thing. So that's why I'm teaching you this all attacks. So you can understand what are attacks can be done, can be there. Okay. So active attack is there. There in active attack modification not only there. This you can see what type of modification is that. The aim is to destroy your computer, but not only your computer, your network itself. Okay. So that is what the active attack. In active attack there are subcategories like replay attack, modifications, masquerade, and denial of service attack. So let's start with it. First one is the this modification. Okay. I will take the same example of Bob Alice. Okay. So first one is the modification. Okay. So Bob is there here. Bob is sending a message to the Alice. Okay. Now here Bob is the sender. And Alice means what? The receiver. Okay. Now Bob is sending a message to the Alice, but your hacker is there. Okay. Hackers are present everywhere, right? So Bob is sending a message to the Alice. That is, sender is sending a message to the receiver. The hacker is there. The hacker that do a modification. But what they do here, only they do a modification of the message. Modification. Here only they do a modification of message, and then it's sent to the Alice. Okay. It goes like that way. It doesn't go like that way. It goes like that way. If hacker is not present, then it go like that way, straight way. But if hacker is present, then go to the hacker that read that message, then he will do a modification in it, then after that it will go to the Alice. That is a receiver. Okay. That is what the modification means. It put in a malicious code into the valid data during transmission. That is what the modification do. But in replay attack is what? Replay attack is almost same. But you will once I will tell you what is that. In a sender is there and you receiver. Okay. And your message. Now Bob is sending a message to the Alice. But hacker, what they do? Hacker doesn't give any chance to give a message, original message for him, Alice. The hacker, what they do? They take that message, capture that message, and now they do modification it however he wants. Then after that, he send a message later. That is what the modification is. Modify, capture. Here also do, and what that later. Modify, capture, later he sent a message to the Alice. Here only do a modification and then he send a message to the Alice. That is the receiver. Okay. So this is what the difference in that modification, replay attack. It almost same, do a modification on it, but the difference is of the time. Okay. This is what the active attack, two subcategories. Now I'm going to take the another two, that is the masquerade and denial of service attack. Okay. The Alice, that is the receiver. Here is the sender. What they send? The messages. They are original messages. Okay. They are private informations. So the Bob is sending a message to the Alice. Sender is sending a message to the Alice. Masquerade, what they do? They doesn't do a modification. What they do is here, the hacker is there, na? Hacker. He just he send the message to the Alice. But how? He send the message to the Alice and pretend like a Bob. Hacker is pretending like a sender. Means he take a place of the sender. Pretending means he take the place of the sender. He take the place of the Bob, and Bob is the person want to send a message. He know the Bob want to send a message to the Alice. Okay. Then what do hacker do? Hacker just take the place of the Bob and send a message to the Alice. Okay. That can be any viruses or can be anything. Okay. So that he can attack their computer, attack his or her computer. So that's why the hackers do that. But how they can access into access to his message means how can he take this place? So how that is possible to the login ID and password. As I told you before, that password before previous video I told you that password is mandatory, and it is must be a strong password. So the attackers can't be easily. He can attack on a system, but he can't do it easily. He takes some more times, and sometimes he doesn't do. Sometimes it is possible. remember. It depends who which hackers it is. But if you have a strong password, then he can't attack you easily. Okay, so that's why the password is mandatory. Login ID and password who got, attacker got, hacker got. So hacker, what they do, he take a login ID and password, then what he got all the authority. He got all the authority of the Bob. Then what he can do add, he can do deletion, he can do modification, he can do alteration, insertion, he can do anything with it. So he do it in a content of the message. What he did, he take the place of the Bob and send a messages as a like sender to the receiver, that is an alias. Means he send a message like he doesn't send any message, he send in a viruses. That is what the masquerade. Okay. Second one is the denial of service attack. In denial of service attack means what they do. Here is the person alias, okay, and here is the alias computer. Okay, this is alias computer. Here is the Bob computer, and here is the, I can't take Bob, I will take your, okay, I will take your Bob, it will be better, and here I will take the server. This is the server, this is here the internet. Now what here comes is that this is the internet. Okay, now alias Bob internet and this is server. Okay, so in denial of service attack, DOS attack, also you can tell that short form is the DOS. Okay, so in DOS attack, that Bob is sent the alias, who is the person, who is the authorized person, can't get the information whenever he required. Okay, why that? Because as in the previous video I taught you about the availability, that is the third goal. In third goal, that is same. In third goal, what they do availability, that the availability is that he wants the message, he can read his own message at any time as whenever he required. But that must, so that the attacks that comes in treating such a denial of service attack that shut down your PC or get a loading or get a slow down your computer or doesn't available to show that page. So this all attacks come is in a DOS attack. So how they do, the attacker, the Bob who send the he in the server, in the authorized person server, he do a mischievous, he do something corrupted, so that the alias can't see his message. That's what the denial of service attack. Okay, so I hope you must have understood what are the active attack and what are the passive attack, what are the subcategories all. So this was all about the attacks. You must have to be aware of this so that you can get alert from this all things. So this all in your, this comes in real world. Okay, so this is all about the attacks of the security attacks. So I hope you must have understood. Thank you very much.